Got Tristan here.
Yeah, baby.
Ty's over here. And we are at Little Sahara National or State Park, I think. It's 18 degrees, and we're gonna go try and find our campsite so we can get some astrophotography done tonight. Just following you, I guess. Can't see the stars yet. We'll get to that. So we were just driving down the, I don't know, is this the main road through here? Sure. Pulled off on a little trail. Found a big old freaking antler. This thing's massive. 6 point, assuming it's an elk, because I don't know any other. That's a deer. That's a big old deer. Yeah, there's two of them up there. Should we just keep going up this?
Sure. Why not?
I think I can make it unless it gets super rocky. But I should be fine. Yeah, I can just park and then get in with one of you guys. Looks like we're going exploring. It's 16 degrees now.
And windy.
And it's getting a little windy. So I just want to get somewhere to where we can get like the cars positioned and take a picture with the stars and stuff like that.
Are you taking this?
I kind of want to. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it.
I don't know.
Like just to have it.
Yeah. Might as well.
So probably can't see me right now. Nor do I think I'm going to be in focus. But we are we're out here. We just got up the trail. We're up on the top of the mountain here, and we're going to try and set up. The camera is on the tripod right now. That's why I'm vertical. We'll flip it later. We're gonna set up. Here, I'll do this. Okay, we're up on the mountain. The Milky Way is like directly above us and going to the south. So we're going to set up the camera and try and take some astro photos. Hopefully the lens doesn't. It looks like it's like getting ice crystals on it.
Oh, it's not cold out.
I guess we'll see.
I don't know why.
So we got a couple pictures at the first spot. I think this is as far as the Audi's gonna go, so I'm gonna pull off to the side, hop in the Jeep with Tristan, and just Ty and Tristan are gonna head up the mountain, and we'll just try and get some different photos. The goal for tonight, we can see the Milky Way with our eyes, so we're gonna try and get that on camera. And I'll just keep tossing photos in as I go, as we stop and take pictures. So we'll try and get to the next spot and hopefully get some better ones. The Audi made it on the dunes. Woo! It's still cold. Definitely not as bad since we got up here though. But we made it to the dunes.
Finally.
It's a little warmer up here.
Sands of Utah.
This thing just, it goes on forever though. Like,
Yeah, it does.
that's crazy down there. Are you gonna try and keep going? Should be fine. I don't know.
Give them your ditch lights.
I'm gonna turn them.
I might honestly try and take like a picture of the car from up here. There goes Tristan. We'll see if he gets stuck. The thing is, his brights aren't very bright, so he really is just kind of like going for it. Hopefully he's not in four-wheel drive or nothing yet. Put it in reverse, yep. And you better haul up here.
You got stuck.
There's like, yeah.
Someone hold the light. There's snow and sand down there, and I wasn't going fast enough.
Oh, all right, we got all of our start pictures on the dunes. I don't know if I'm super close, I can't see. Just gonna head down and try and set up camp and get ready for bed so we can get up here and rip around on the dunes tomorrow. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you like the photos. They look good, and we'll see you at camp.
Good. Good.
Oh, this is so freaking. Just rip the other one off as might as well. Get it all off of me.
Okay.
Oh, Ty. So Ty thought it'd be smart to stick a hand warmer to his chest, and then it broke. Good job, Ty.
Hate to see it, man.
Good job.
Hate to see it.
Pretty sure that's like cockpit.
Well, we got our camp set up.
We're chilling.
Tristan and I are in the Audi. Jess and Ty in the 4Runner. Pretty solid for just a makeshift plan we started this morning. But yeah, that's about it for tonight. We will, yeah, the pictures look good. You guys have already seen them at this point probably. So we'll just catch you in the morning. And hopefully we'll be able to mob the dunes and fly the drone around. We're gonna try and get up for sunrise, and hopefully it looks as cool as it did tonight.
Dr. West, cover your watch.
Oh, cozy. We're just chilling in the Audi, watching Doctor Strange. Ty brought a bed sheet and a projector, so super clutch. Toes are a little cold, but other than that, we're doing pretty good. It's not too bad.
Mike and Ike's and some
Yeah, we got
water.
some candy, some water. Yeah, should be a good easy night sleeping. Yeah. I don't know. Our plan is just to keep exploring tomorrow, so we'll catch you then, I guess.
Looks sick.
Good morning. We slept okay. We need to buy like a foam pad or something for the back of the car because our hips are bruised.
As cozy as this
Yeah.
concrete mattress is.
It ain't too bad. Ty's kind of a wuss. He left his car on all night.
6 hours.
But yeah, the sunrise was kind of non-existent. It's just kind of gray and cloudy. Oh, it's super bright. See? No sunrise. But hopefully that'll make driving on the dunes a little better. It won't defrost and then we sink in the sand somewhere. So that's good. We got a little griddle. We're gonna make some eggs. I think. I hope. Unless it doesn't work. Never done it before, so we'll see.
Won't be eating eggs.
And we're gonna starve.
Got one done. Let's see it.
Woohoo! Very yummy.
Didn't melt.
Cotton cheese champion.
Why are you looking for the viewfinder?
Good work, Chef PJ.
Thanks, Tristan. So Ty had to head out. We're gonna take probably an hour or so and just go and explore the dunes back here. And then we're gonna go head to Tremont and go night boarding at Beaver again. So, okay, so let's go to the drone. anybody that's ever said that the Audi is a mom car, we're up in the dunes, dude. Let's go. Just mobbing around. Just came down through this big dip, up around. Just gotta be smart on how you drive it, but it's sick up here. And it goes forever. We got Tristan. It's crazy, huh?
So fun.
Just goes forever. But we'll go back to the drone. This place is nuts. Mobbing around in the Jeep. Got a little sketchy at some parts where you saw it slide and had to back up and retry, but for the most part, both cars handling it pretty well. Goes on forever. Seeing as how we're the only two out here, we're not trying to push it too far back there, but I'm impressed so far. It's pretty sick. We'll get the drone back up and probably head out for the day. So all the clips you just saw, we're done with the DJI active track. So we'll see how those look. I think they look, I mean, it looked good from the screen, but I was driving obviously, so I couldn't see it the whole time. We're heading out of Little Sahara. Got some cool photos, got some good pictures, or got some good film of everything. We think it looked good. And we're going to head back to my house, grab my snowboard, and then head up to Tree Mountain and then head up to Beaver. Get some snowboarding in tonight. So we'll probably check in with you guys once we get back to my house. Maybe do a little time lapse of driving back.